Greetings everyone and welcome to another video of Retail Marketing Tool with me Amar Bhatia from Wolf Network. In the previous video we saw how we can allocate outlets to the vendors. In this video we'll see how simplified things get for vendors as well. So let's get started with it. So this is an OTP based login. We got our OTP, and so this is how the vendor's dashboard looks. As you can see, the vendor has received a notification over here. And Amar Bhatia is assigned you installation for brief number so and so. Apart from that, on the dashboard, as you can see, the latest briefs that a vendor can see that has been assigned to them, and the number of outlets that we have assigned against that brief. So we have assigned one outlet to this vendor and one is pending. So let's go inside and see how it looks. So here you can see the total number of briefs that have been assigned to the vendor. So right now it's one brief. Now we want to see how many outlets are there and what are the outlets. So as you can see here, it will show you numbers of outlets that have been assigned to the vendor. When we click on this blue button over here, as we can see, it's written manage outlets if you hover the mouse on this. So let's go inside and have a look. So these are the outlet list. This is the list of outlets that have been assigned to the vendor. So as we can see, we have assigned recce and installation both works to a single vendor. So now the only thing that the vendor needs to do is they need to go inside and need to update the elements that they are working on. So we'll see all about that as well. Apart from this tool is mobile responsive, a web application which is mobile responsive. So you don't need a separate mobile app you need to ask your vendor to install a separate mobile app unless and until they are going in a rural location where there's a problem with the internet. So let's see how the mobile application view looks over here. So this is the mobile view for this application, as you can see. So getting back to our desktop view, we'll go inside this elements part. We'll click on manage elements over here, this blue button, and we'll add one element over here. So as you can see, this is the name of the outlet which shows over here. Now we'll click on add element. Also, the vendor needs to allow the location, otherwise he won't be able to go ahead with the tool, or they won't be able to go ahead with the tool. So let's put the element name. So I'll be taking wall vinyl just as an example. Dimension is 250 by 100. As you can see, dimension and units of measurement is not mandatory, but still the vendor shall put it because they already know what the details are. We'll go with the inches. So there's before image and after image. So as you can see, we have both before image and after image. The vendor can see both these things because we have assigned recce and installation both things to this vendor for this specific outlet. Also, the mandatoryness over here is, as you can see, at least one of this file is required, either before image or after image. Also, there is a case where we assigned, right now we have assigned recce and installation both to this vendor. So if we had just assigned installation work to this vendor, he wouldn't be able to see the before image part over here, and he would not be able to access it. Vice versa for the after image. If we assign the after image to that vendor, they won't be able to see the before image, and the same as before. Same thing for both before and after, whatever it is. So we'll go with the element description now. Again, this description is also not mandatory. So we'll put over here demo description or dummy description. And we'll click on save element over here now. Oh, we need to upload the image. Okay, I'll be putting both the images over here now. Before and after. So these are the dummy images that I've added over here. These are not real images. Now I'll click on save element. So as you can see, we have successfully saved the elements over here, the before image and after image. So That's all that the vendor needs to do. Now in the next video we'll go back in our admin login, or in the employee login part, where they can see and approve the work of the vendor. As you can see, the pending outlets have become 0 over here since after image has been uploaded, and as you can see, it is showing recent installations over here as well. So that's all for the vendor part. This is where the vendor's part is completed. So the vendor does not have to waste their time making a PPT and then sending it to you, or sending you the photos on WhatsApp, and then you take the photo and make a PPT, which consumes a lot of time, as we all know. At least 2 to 3 hours are wasted over there. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll see how we can download a PPT from our end as well. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.